Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so beyond excited for this video because it is an unboxing, as you can see from the title of the video. And this one is very, very exciting because, well, at the time that I'm filming, it's not my birthday yet. Right now my birthday is next week, but by the time you guys are seeing this, my birthday was yesterday, the 17th. So my wonderful, amazing, perfect boyfriend got me a little gift from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited. And more than anything, I'm just grateful because I have the best boyfriend in the world. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and yeah, we're gonna see what fits in it. We're gonna talk about how great it is, all that fun stuff. So before we get into it, please make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you like unboxings, product reviews, makeup, self-tanner, all that stuff, then definitely make sure that you're subscribed. But if you want to see me unbox this beauty, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, I'm so anxious. We went to Louis Vuitton yesterday and got this, and I have not unboxed it yet because I wanted to do it on camera for you guys, but I did not have time yesterday. So somehow I managed to wait until today, and we're gonna unbox this together. I did see it in the store, so I know how it looks already, but I'm not like the kind of person that like sits there and inspects the product super like in depth, because I just want to get it and go. But now we're gonna see what it's all about. So of course it came with this little card with the receipt. So I'll start off, obviously from the title you guys know this is the key pouch, and I got it in the monogram just because that was my favorite style. I like how monogram looks the most. So the price of the actual key pouch is $270, but with tax you're looking at $290, and that is in USD. Here is the box. So adorable. I just love it, the way that they wrap this up. I wish I knew how to do this so I can like wrap my boxes back up after I take the product out, but I'm not good at that stuff. So let's just soak this in for a moment because this is just stunning. So let's get into unboxing this. Oh my god, I can't get over how cute this is. And like the small box is so adorable. I need to hang this somewhere. I need to like put up one of those cute like wall shelves that people do and they keep like their little boxes on. I need to do that. So I am just gonna take the little ribbon off. It's getting real, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna pull it out. I'm so excited. Okay, hold on. Oh, kind of hard to open. All right, so it comes in here. I'm gonna take this out. Sorry, it's kind of squeaky. And, oh, are you guys ready? Okay, so here it says Louis Vuitton. The little dust bag that it comes in is so cute, and I'm sure I could find a use for it too. But here we go, guys. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? Oh my god. I know this is such like a simple product from Louis Vuitton, but first of all, it's still expensive. Like that is not a little bit of money. So I'm very, very grateful and I'm very appreciative of it. Trust me, it's so small and so little, but I feel like you could use it for so many different things, which is why I wanted this so bad. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that I've mentioned on my channel before that I'm not a huge like big purse person. Like if I'm carrying a purse around, it's gonna be a really small purse, or I just carry my wallet around with me. So you'll never really see me with a big fat purse. So this is ideal for me on days when I don't want to take a purse out with me, not even like a little one. A lot of times, like I said, I like to just carry a wallet around. So for me, I'm gonna pull this chain out so I can show you. Wow, this is really beautiful and really well thought out. Oh my god. Easy to zip and unzip too. But this D-ring, how do I even, I'm new to this, okay? I had to pause the video for a minute there and YouTube how to open this ring up because I could not figure it out for the life of me. I literally thought it was one of those things where you just like push this in it is not. So before I talk more, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I literally just found a YouTube video on it. So like you pull this up and then, oops, sorry, hold on. Pull it up and then pull it out. I kind of like that because it's not gonna come undone super easy and your keys or whatever you have hanging off of it won't fall out. So I really, really like that feature about it. And look how cute this is, oh my God. I'm seriously obsessed. Give me a minute. Okay, anyways, I really like how easy it is to just do this, hook it onto your keys, put it back, and then you could just carry it around like this. Like it just like hangs off your keys. And then you can put like your cards or your cash or whatever you have inside of here. And it's literally all you need. Like you don't have to carry around a big thing and it still looks so cute. So I'm obsessed right now. So I figured that's one way that I could use this. And then another way that I thought I could use it is I wanted to see if I could put my keys inside of here. So when I'm going out somewhere and I do have a purse on me, if I'm driving, I could just put my keys in here so that my keys aren't scratching up my purse. So let me see if they'll fit. Yeah, they do. So it does kind of make it fat at the top, but I'll find a way to maneuver it around so it doesn't do that. I keep my keys pretty bare, honestly, so to me, it's not a big deal putting it in here. And this is such a small product that I don't necessarily mind if the inside of it gets scratched up just a little bit from the keys. I'd rather this get a few scratches inside than like a more expensive purse, you know? So I just thought that was a good use for this thing. And then on the inside here, it just comes with this little tag. And then I don't know what this is, some kind of code. The inside here is like a little brown color. I don't know how well the camera will show it to you guys, but it's like a darker brown. And it's just one big pouch inside, of course. And then there's just like a stitching at the bottom. I really like also how when you zip this up, it zips up all the way, but there's like a tiny bit of space for this chain to stick out of, which I really like because it's not getting caught on there. So right now, I love everything about it, and just looking at it, it looks pretty perfect. I will say it almost looks like there's like a little bend right here, which is a little bit annoying, but then again, I'm probably gonna be using this like crazy so much that that's not really gonna bother me because I'm honestly probably gonna end up wearing and tearing, not tearing, but getting good use out of this, if you know what I mean. So now I think I've explained everything. I gave you guys the price. I told you guys there's a little code. I don't know if I'm supposed to read it. So here it says made in US of imported material. So mine is made in the US. I don't mind. I'm not like a person that really cares about it being made in France because I know a lot of people really want their pieces made in France. I don't really care. I'm pretty sure my Felici is made in, I believe it was Spain, if I'm not wrong. Don't quote me on that though. But yeah, I know it wasn't made in France and I didn't really care about it. It still looks beautiful. It's still perfect. I think this one still looks really amazing. So doesn't matter to me. Everything about it looks pretty perfect if you ask me. So just so I could show you guys what fits inside, I already showed you that my keys can fit inside if I want to use this. Oh, I found a way to make it flat, well, for the most part. Yeah, so you could fit your keys in there if you keep them pretty bare. If you have like a big like ball hanging off your keys, it's honestly probably definitely not gonna fit in here, but if they're bare like mine, your keys will fit. That's just if I'm wearing a purse and I wanna protect my purse from my keys. Now I have a bunch of cards that I keep in like my bigger everyday wallet, and I just wanna show you guys if all of these cards can fit. I have let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards right here, and I wanna see if all of them will fit. And they do, literally perfectly. 8 cards, that's a lot. I usually only carry around my ID, my debit card, a credit card, 2 credit cards. So that's like 4, and I could fit 8 in here and it's still like perfectly shaped, no bending, no overstuffing, no nothing. Let me see if I have some cash right here. I'm just gonna see if this fits in here as well with the cards. So cash, if you're bringing it, it's like too long. So fold it over 3 times, not 2 times, and it'll fit like a glove. And it still looks perfect. So you can actually fit a lot in here. I'm pleasantly surprised because I did not think I was gonna be able to fit 8 cards in there. And cash, I have, how many bills do I have here? So I have 5 bills of cash. So it was like a little bit of a fatter wad of cash. And then I have 8 cards and that all fit in there perfectly. No, nothing wrong with it, like I said. So really, really amazing. I also really love the gold hardware on it. I'm a big gold jewelry and gold hardware on my bags kind of person. So I really love how this looks. And I just love how versatile this is. It's such a small piece, like I said, but you can use it in so many different ways that it's just so wonderful. So I'm so happy with this. I think it's so worth it. If you're thinking about getting something like this, it's so worth it because you can, like I said, use it in so many different ways. You can fit your cards, you can fit your cash, you can fit your keys in there, you can clip your keys onto there. You could clip whatever you want. You could honestly clip this onto your jeans and just have it hanging off your jeans if you want to too. And it could just, your hands free, you know? Like you don't even have to hold it and it's still serving its purpose. So I love that so much. You could honestly even use this as a tiny little pouch for like a lipstick or something if you don't want to put your lipstick right inside of your bag. So there's just so many different ways to use this, which is why I think it's so worth it. And I feel like this is gonna be like my most used designer piece that I have. I know I don't have many, I'm still building a collection, but I feel like as of right now, this is gonna be the most used just because it's so small and you can use it so many different ways. So I love it so much. And just briefly too, I know this is a harder product to find because every time I would check on the website, it was always sold out. I've never seen it on the Louis Vuitton website in stock. So I was a little bit nervous, like how am I even gonna get this? So I called customer service yesterday and I asked them if it was at any of the stores in my area. I live in Chicago, so there's like 3, I believe, around me. Or 3, I think it's 3. And she told me that there was like very limited stock at one that was really close to me and then one that was kind of far away from me. So she's like, you can try, I can't promise it's gonna be there, but you can try and go over and see if they have it. So I did, and they had one left. This was the last one. So definitely I would say best method of finding things that are like really hard to find. But yeah, best method is stalking the website, and if that does not work for you, call customer service and they can check for you to see if it's in stores. If not, maybe they could special order it for you. But I've gotten lucky at the store a couple times now. So honestly, just go in, try your luck, see what works. You can get it some way or another. So yeah, definitely 100% worth it. I'm so happy about this. And again, so beyond grateful to my amazing boyfriend for getting this for me. Such a nice, amazing birthday gift and something that I'm definitely going to be using like crazy. So thank you to him, and thank you guys for watching. As usual, you guys are amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you think of my new little friend here. And yeah, just say hello, give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I definitely want to keep doing these kind of unboxings. I think they're really fun, and I do lots of makeup videos, I do lots of self-tanner videos. So if you just love all those kinds of things, definitely make sure that you're subscribed and not missing out on 3 videos a week. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.